Have you ever wondered how to wrap an item with elegance? SaoTsutsumi is a perfect way to add sophistication and elegance to your gift wrapping.
Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally. Place your item in the corner close to you. If it's a rectangular box, make sure the short side or the width of the box is placed towards you. Go all the way to the other corner. If there is any excess fabric, just fold the fabric so that the edge is not hanging over the box. Bring two ends to the box's center and cross them without tying a knot. Now turn the wrapped box over and double knot it. See how easy SaoTsutsumi is. This wrapping technique makes a beautiful presentation and it showcases a unique pattern and color.